Yo, yo, yo. So, just a little update for anyone in chat. We went ahead and got Stripe working last time. We kind of got everything working. Today we're going to focus on some error handling, some styling, potentially moving forward with some of the admin work. We also got to work on the checkout cancel and checkout success setup. So what we're going to do there, I kind of have some premeditated stuff here, but we haven't actually tested this, so we need to figure out what's going to happen. And yeah, we got to see where this is going to go. So with that being said, let's real quick get our other window capture here, which is going to be, where are you at? It's going to be this one. Okay, cool. And then I think we can extend this a little further. There we go. Yeah, so we kind of got that going on. We can go ahead and move this down. Definitely don't need that much space for that. Okay. There was something I did want to do. What's up, Shy? What is up? I gotta get the chats up because I'm also streaming on YouTube right now and I don't have it up. So let me go get my other computer so I can have both chats up. We can talk, we can collab, we can speak to one another. Welcome to the chat, Shy. Appreciate you coming by. As always. Boom. Alright, so let's open up, what is it? It's Twitch TV. Then we'll go to the creator dashboard. I know I'm not showing you guys, won't be able to see this, but open that up. Bring a new window, expand that, and then we'll go youtube.com. Perfect, so we should be, yep, we're live as it is. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop out this chat. I don't really think we need analytics for YouTube, at least not at the moment. Awesome. Nope, you're all good. I actually just started. You're right on time. Thanks for coming, Shy. Yeah, there was one thing I wanted to check out though. I've really been, so if we go to GitHub, oh god, if I can spell GitHub, and we go to, just go to home. Let's go to home. No, I want to go to like trending. Trending. Right. And just want to see. So I really like what the text looks like here, but I seen, and I start it, this. So I want to see, oh, You're the sweetest, Shy. Thank you so much. So let's actually move this over here. Move my VS Code over here. So we downloaded that now. So downloads. Whoa. We can delete that. No, cancel. Oh, why did that go? I felt like that was trying to go into my VS Code. Let's go ahead and move. Let's unzip this. Extract all. We'll put it on desktop. Boom. That background you chose for dev streams is how it looks like. It's definitely something I would use if I was stream. Hell yeah. Glad you like it. Glad you like it. Alright. So just going to try to download this file. I want to see what it looks like because, you know, I've been using JetBrains, Mono, and Cascadia code, but I also really want to use this this SF Mono regular. So let's use that. Let's use SF Mono. I think that's how you spell it. I don't think that's it. I mean, it might be it. I mean, it looks clean, but I don't know if that's it. Let's install. Let's go like that, and then let's do JSON. Where am I looking for? Here. Let's go normal, and you know what? Let's relaunch VS Code. It's good. It's good, don't get me wrong. But it almost looks fuzzy. I almost feel like I prefer Cascadia. I mean, I don't know. It's definitely very legible, what I like. Let's go to back to Cascadia code. Cascadia code. Yeah, I guess I'll stick with Cascadia code. That's fine. For now. I mean, we'll probably go back to JetBrains. But anyways, so have that going, and let's see. I just want to look at repository real quick. I didn't understand a word what you said. Speak English, I don't speak code. Haha. Sorry, Shy. So let me see the controllers for this. Right. So what I want to do is we're going to create a lib folder. I'm going to create a lib folder. We'll go back. So we'll create a lib folder here. Right, we'll create a lib folder. And then here's some boiler template code that I want to use. So we'll go Axios.js and then do import Axios from Axios. Perfect. And then what are we going to do here? We're going to go Axios instance, create. Question is port 500. So let's go. So we'll go. Okay, so let me open up this, but let me open it up on the side. Let me just real quick turn this off. I don't want anyone to really see my environment variables for a sec here. Cool. So now we can turn this back on. Boom. Alright, cool. So now we have, so in a base URL to be, so we can just, let's close it off. Yep, let's close it. Oh, let's close that off, and then we'll do base URL is import meta environment with feet server URL. That makes sense. So we'll do that, and then I'm lagging. Oh, is it me or is it on your end there? I don't know. Alright, so let's export this. Export default Axios, yeah, instance. Cool. So this should hit the baseline, which is perfect. Axios post. So then if we do // lib Axios, boom, and we no longer have to pass this in, right? Because yeah, no longer have to pass that in. Okay, checkout success. Oh, whoa, but we're in the wrong page. I'm not worried about this page yet. Should actually be in this one, so we should do. Don't think we need all of this anymore. I mean, yeah, really, I don't think. Is this not updated? What the hell? I saved so much last night. Let's save this, but let's go ahead and close folder. I saved so much. I'm not sure, to be honest. Seems okay for now. Okay, good, good, good. Yeah, like this is all wrong. Hold on. I gotta check this out because I made so many different changes and I committed them all. I know I did. And if you guys are wondering what I'm referring to, is I made a ton of changes on my MacBook, and I'm just not seeing them in my. Oh, you know what? Because we're in the wrong page. That's what it is. We're in the wrong page. I might have to get rid of that later, but we actually want to be in the cart menu. That's what it is. We're gonna be in the cart menu, and this should have our updated. Yep, this should have our updated call here, and this should be grabbing from. Um, yeah, perfect. And then we can go ahead and move this. No longer in need of that. Right. And then we get the response data, and then, yep, we go ahead and go to session URL. What I want to do here, what I want to do here is, what do I want to do? I want to be able to add the user with credentials true, but I want to see, let's look at some documentation here. Let's go, before I get everything running, whoops. Let's, if you guys never use this, great to get different font, like matching fonts and stuff. There's some good stuff in here. Yeah, I'm not using it for this project, but I would recommend to look at it if you haven't ever. Oop. What does oop mean? What does oopy oop mean? Let's look at Axios. Axios, yep, docs. Alright, so we have the base URL. Let's look at our routes controllers actually. So what are we looking at for here? We got const request body, then I want to pass in user ID, comma there. I'm gonna pass in user ID, but we gotta send that in So let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do here. Let's open up that context. So check auth. Okay, so we really just need to do user const. So yeah, we use auth and then use import user from context auth. Import user from context auth, and then we do user true. Let auth user equal user true, then we set user true, then we set else we set it to null. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and then we use auth user. Alright, and then okay, I think this is good for now. Let's test this. So we'll go npm run dev. No, let's go cd client npm run dev, and then we'll go cd server npm run server. Cool. That you were looking at the wrong thing. What was I looking at? What was I looking at? The different, the wrong file. I gotcha. So let's console log user, or let's do auth user, right? Console log that, we'll get this back, and then we'll console.log the request. Right, so console.log the request. Alright, and then we'll refresh this. What's going on here? Portlib. So where cart menu. So our import is wrong here, I think, or export. Next.js order summary. Import. Let's see where we at. Cart menu item. Import Axios from. Why is there source context auth context? Oh, right. Okay, so here, let's do import use context from React. Use context, and then we'll do const user. Am I doing this right? Why am I tripping right now? I feel like I don't know how to do anything right now. This is what I want to do. Okay, what if we do this instead? What if we do this? So we'll run the same logic here as we do in auth alias, or sorry, not auth context. I had a feeling you said that, but I didn't want to be wrong. You were looking at the wrong thing. Yeah. No, you're right. So what do we want to do here? Check off. So we want to pretty much copy this whole thing here. So we'll do const check auth. Const save user goes like get item. If saved user. Okay, we don't need to do all that. So really, we could just do const auth user equals local storage that get user. else null. Yeah. And then we'll console log. We'll console.log auth user. Okay. So I feel like that should be good, right? So where are we at now? Okay, good. Yeah, good. So as of right now, it's null. But then if we were, so, okay, let's go. Ooh, let me text back. Okay, so oh, I just noticed this. Let's quickly change this. Sorry. Let's go to the home page. Home. This needs to be capitalized. Never. Boom. Okay. Let's see. Where's my text here? Home. Shoot. This is wrong. What's wrong with this? So we have a div with the overflow. One sec. Let's check, because we don't. Oh, we're missing a whole bunch of lines of code from here. So we have the relative 96. Yeah, we have those two. So this right here. Why are we missing so many lines of code? So this needs to be an H. This actually needs to be like an H3. And this should be visit our gym. Inside of this, we're gonna have a class name of, what do we have here? Margin bottom 2 text 4XL font bold, text primary, drop shadow large, drop shadow large, text bold. I think we can remove that, but we'll look at it in just a sec. Oh, wait, I'm copying the wrong one. So large, yes. Drop shadow large, and then medium, we want it to be text 6XL. Text 6XL medium, we want it to be margin bottom 6. God, I can't see anything. This should be 4. Right, okay, so I think that's it for that one. And then we have a p tag, and we have an oasis where gym lovers can be found. Class name, max width, medium, margin bottom 4. We'll add text small, font semi-bold, text primary, drop shadow large, Drop shadow large, text bold, font. I don't know why we have that. That shouldn't be there. Okay. MD. Margin bottom 6. Cool. Have that. Boom. And then underneath that, we're going to have a slash. No. I mean, it doesn't technically need a link because, yeah, it doesn't need a link because we're not going to actually have that page. So we'll do button. We'll do button. Class name. Class names of px3, py1, font bold, transition duration 300, text primary. Hey guys, again guys, just copying this over from my Mac. I guess I never committed this, or something's going on, I'm not sure. BGCTA button, and then hover BG gray 400. Boom. Cool. So this, perfect. And then this should be learn more. Cool. Wait, we're missing something here. Round, is it rounded? Isn't it rounded? Rounded, it is rounded. So, yep, perfect. Alright, cool. So we have this. Now, okay. Now, if I go shop, we go boom, right? And then I go in here. And now if I make this request, why is this request not happening? Okay, so we are getting a request. Whoa. Alright, so incoming message is readable, but for this. Parse on headers. URL, create checkout session. Okay, method post. Where did we go wrong here? Base URL API this. Header null. So the body is, okay, so we do pass the body. Error reading cannot read properties in undefined underscore ID. Right. So then, okay, I can't read properties of, okay. So, what if, right? What if, okay, we just keep this for now. This for now, we'll come back to this, right? We come back to this. I just want to see some. So do shift, okay. Save that, and then in cart menu item, when we do this, we pass in user, and then we do auth context. So use this. Context. Then we import user. And then we pass in user. Right? So yeah, that makes sense to me, I guess. Alright, so if I do checkout, why? Why? Am I logged in? Shouldn't I be logged in? Let's do local storage sources. No, this should be under application. Still here, letting you focus on baking a bread. Ooh, since we ran out. Ooh, you're making bread. What type of bread? That sounds interesting. Okay, so I don't have a user. That's okay though. That's good. That's actually okay. So this is actually going to handle the opposite error for me. So now we can kind of see. So let's go ahead and close some of this down. Let's go home, auth context, we can close that. Payment controller, we'll keep that open. App.js, we can close that. Okay, so let's move this to the side here. I thought I was logged in for some reason. Okay, so we set that there, and then user. So we do let's do like that, and then okay, so we'll send that in like that, and then in the server we want to get const products and user, and then we'll console log the request dot body, and then in here I'll do, where are we at? So where are we sending this in at? Oh, right here. User ID request dot user dot ID. So this one should actually be user dot ID dot underscore ID. Two-string. That's perfect. Okay, we'll console. Cool. So now, if I go ahead and check out, why are we not? Whoa, what's going on? Hold on. So network. Let's throw in a random shirt. Boom. Then we hit checkout. Error occurred. Not read properties of null. Reading. Okay. Just basic white bread, nice, okay. Do love me some white bread, I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, so my question is, okay, so we have that. And then when we're sending it in, so we're sending it in as user, and it's coming in the, so we get the request user. No, we should be getting the, oh yeah, should be down here. So we should be getting the request. Body should be, so if I hit checkout here, user null, user null. That's fine. So user null. So we get request body, we console log the request body dot user would technically be, but okay, we get null, and then we go user dot underscore toString. I don't want to send this in. User underscore ID. Let's do user ID equals user ID, right? And then in here we'll do something like if user equals null, request user, if request user ID, if request user does not equal null, does not equal request user ID equals user dot underscore ID. Else we'll just pass in null. Yes, that makes sense. Where we at? Where we at? Just ID would be dot toString. ToString. Okay. Okay, I think we're good on this. So if we do now, if we do checkout, cool. So we get the user null, right? Get the console, we get the request body. No, I still want this. So boom, and then, but I don't think we need to console log the session anymore. I'm not sure where I'm doing that. Session ID here. That's where I'm. Okay. Cool. And then so we have this arc user. Cool, we're big chilling. Just using homemade bread to make a grilled cheese. Dude, it's so funny that you say that, because for the last few days, in the back of my mind, I've been like, fuck, I could go for some. Sorry, I got cut off there. I had to answer her text. For the last couple of days, I've been like, damn, I could really fucking go for a a grilled cheese, like one of those big ones, maybe white cheese, white chess. You know what I mean? God, I could really go for one of those. Let me get a nice cup of soda. You know how we do here. Love my soda. I think I'm gonna stop at Panera Bread on my way to my second job and get some. I got a gift card from them, so might pick up something nice and sweet, something good. All right. Yeah, no, honestly, I have been thinking about that so much. Um, okay, so we kind of have it working now. You know, I'm not saying it's the best, but we got it, right? We got the monies. We got the monies here, right? So let's do this. So now that we have that, let's open up a window. It's kind of fucking dark in here. Not good for your eyesight there. Alright. So I did want to touch on something real quick while I'm still here. Let's go to my YouTube channel. Okay. Cool. So, what did I want to do? So let's do this. Choo choo choo. Cool. Cool. So we're chilling now. We got this. We got that. Yeah, we're cooking up now. We're cooking up now. Kinda. So we got that. We got that. Minimize that. Okay. So the question is, what do we do now? So we have this. We can check out, I know. Still have to test the negative when, you know, send the checkout success. Oh, dang. Need some Panera, please. Yeah, I got a gift card for there, so, you know, might as well. Okay. Checkout canceled. So if we go back here, Localhost 5 / checkout cancel. That should be a part of our routes. We should have this page. So routes. Where is our routes? Routes. Checkout cancel. Oh, I know why. We're on 513. That makes sense. That makes sense. So 513, and then here in the back end, we're probably sending it to. In the back end, we are sending it to 514. Most likely they're sending it to 514, huh? Yep, 514. That's alright though, we'll change it real quick. Boom. Alright, so that should be working as we expect. So the cancel works. So I guess now that the cancel works, we could work on a little something for checkout. Checkout. Cancel. Right, so we have this. And we can go ahead and start working on that. We'll work on some styling. I think that's a good, probably a good place to just kind of say we are happy to be at. So let's see, it's we have like another hour. So let's do, how do we do all of our other pages? Just trying to keep simplicity here. Check out cancel. Yeah, so we'll copy this. Boop. Boom. Then we have this, and then we can do something like put this around in a p tag. And put a p tag here, p. This p tag we're gonna do class name, and we can do text to Excel, text primary. Oh, I'm saying it is pretty expensive, to be honest. Yeah, so we got the checkout payment. Get the payment canceled. Please try again. That's great. Payment canceled. Please try again. Oh, we could just do a redirect button. So like a let's make this one home. This should follow the same as profile when there is no button. Right here, this should be identical here. So boop, put that there, boom, link 2. Now we're gonna import link, got it on, boom. And, whoa. With full? Hell no. Remove that. Profile should also not have with full, to be honest with you. Alright, so we have this little button that's going to send us home. Payment canceled, please try again. We'll add some margin top, margin Y. Let's just do 10. Payment canceled, please try again. Home. And then, honestly, this, yeah, that's fine. Boom, and then we're back alive. If we go search, we updated these thumbnails as well. So it's going to have officially at the bread and the bread. You out the bread in the bread machine. Love to see it. Why isn't it doing it here? So let's go boop boop boop. Let's go into our search. Search. Let's do this. I want to see something. Let's do create a git commit message for everything I have done so far. That's actually pretty good. So let's go ahead and do that. Just that. Let's do git add. That's good, but I don't really think that encompasses. Implement a checkout session creation and cart summary display. Added functionality. Yeah, this is more. There's probably something more that I. Cool. See, I did it again. Can I type to save my life? I was wondering if you mistyped that or if I was just elsewhere, but okay, cool. I feel like we've gotten a lot done. So let's go ahead and finish this search. It's global search. Global search. The thumbnails, trending products. So on the tabbed applications, components. them now. I think this was just missing. This is missing group. Right, group. I think that's what that's missing. There you go. Yeah. But we also need to add, so group. Group, and then we did add, what are we going to do? Cursor, pointer. Cool. Oh, here's another thing I wanted to see. Why is it when I add to bag and then I hit checkout, it takes me to slash checkout? Why? So, yeah, I always know what you mean, Shy. I always be knowing what you be talking about. I mean, we can just move the logic to like a preview screen, but I really don't want to have to maintain that. So let's go cart menu, item, cart menu, global cart menu. Cart menu item. That's what it is. I mean, it should just be a button, no? That should just be a button, and this should be cleaned out here. That makes more sense to me. If you're like shopping, you're like, okay, I'll go here, and then you're back in the store, and you go, boom, checkout. Why is it still redirecting me back? It should not redirect me nowhere. Ooh, excuse me. The button really should handle this. Alright, the button should handle that. And we really could just remove this div. And just do margin top 6. Because I mean, it's not like we have, yeah, we don't really have, I can just delete that. Perfect. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe I do prefer to just have it on the A link, because we're passing the params here, so maybe we do just change this to a /link. Change this to, oh, let's just do checkout, that's fine. Okay, cool, that's fine. So, with that being said, then let's go ahead and move the logic over to checkout again. So, now, what are we going to do here? Don't need this anymore. Oh, don't need this anymore. Don't need this. We're importing Axios from here. Make sure this import is right. Library, Axios, cool. Alright, and then we got that, so you can go ahead and remove this. And copy this over, const user. Alright, and we can start removing some of these. We can also move this over too. Oops. Oh, did not mean to do that. Okay. Okay, and then we'll handle the checkout. Everything from here can be copied. Boop. So, and then we can delete everything from here. Auth context, we're going to remove that. Axios, we don't need that. Okay, where am I still using stuff at? Handle checkout. Nope, it's fine. It's fine. Let's just make sure this button still looks fine. Button still looks fine. And then this should now navigate us to /checkout. Perfect. And then we can do on click, set cart open. Alright, so we got cart summary. Okay, we got cart summary and that should work the same, but let's go. Okay, so this page I think we're good with. So let's finish that up. Let's finish that up. And then, I love you, you understand my typos? Of course, Shy. So what are you getting in today, Shy? You doing anything? kind of want to play a game of Valorant before I go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stream till 4 o'clock. So what I did want to do for this is I want to components, product, thumbnail. I want to mimic this. No, yeah, I want to mimic this. So for product ID. Cart items product. Okay, so then we have the section which is cursor pointer. Relative, don't think I need that BG secondary. I think I need that rounded XL. Product name, product quantity, product price. No, that's not what I'm trying to copy. What would I be copying? I'd be copying the search. What we have in search. Have a section with the product ID. This can be moved down to here. This can also be removed. Now we just have, let's mimic the same thing. So we have a div class with full overflow hidden cursor pointer, BG secondary rounded to Excel group. Alright, in the image, we have object cover, object center with full height, full transition group. Perfect. Product name. So H4 on these. It's fine. Margin top 2. Text font. Bold. And here we have text access. Text primary. Font medium, we can get rid of that. I have no margin, top 1. So I'm going to make the same thing here. So what I want to do is do this. So I think this should just be a P tag. Margin top and font bold text center. And then we'll do font bold. Whoa, why'd that move over? Font bold. Font bold, add more items. And we'll do Um, Let me real quick. I want to create an image. So let's go Figma and let's create an image. Probably nothing since it's almost 4 now, but might take a quick nap in a little bit since I was up. Oh my god, why were you up? I do need to talk to you about a couple of things, but obviously when you're busy. Sounds good, Shy. Looking forward to it. Why were you up that late? Like, please tell me why. So if we create something like this, and then we set the width. What do I want to set the width to? Open image in new tab. I want to mimic this width, so the box them in. 13, 20, 22, 13. And then we set the width to 1057, 1057, right? So we have this, and I want to do like some type of gradient. So we'll make some type of gradient, right? And then do like that. No. We'll do the gradient coming from side to side. Side to side. And then what should we make the gradient? Gradient. I like that. So let's go on the left side here. So actually this one will be that, and then this one will be that. That looks cool, but then we'll do export rectangle. Oh, we'll change this to add more. Add more, and then we'll export it as a PNG, and we'll export it to cool. And we should have, we can close that down and close that down. And then what we can do is, what can we do? What's it going to do? Oh, let's check out the home page. How are we setting this up in the home page? So, import gray. So we're just importing it like this. Boom. And then in the not search in this, import this like this. Do add more, and then we'll do add more .png, and then we'll make this add more. And then on top of this, I want to add a font awesome, so FA. Yo, Chef Burkisu. Burkisu? Chef, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Oh, this should be React icons. And then in here, I want to go font awesome, and then I want to do a plus. Where's the plus? Let's do. Let's import this. Import that. Import that. I'll import that, and then we'll add that here. So on top of it. Actually, I want this to just be a self-closing tag. Yeah, that's fine. Awesome. And then we'll center this, so do absolute. And then we'll do top. Whoa. Let's see. So hold on. Let's. That looks good. Thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, we're working a lot on this. So right now I am just adding the add more. So like if you want to click here, it will redirect you over to. I want to eventually get rid of just the women and men, and I want to add a catalog for both. So I want to do a page that when you go shop all, it's going to take you to all the items rather than just men and women. So that's going to be the next thing we do. And we might honestly get rid of the women and men and then just do one catalog page, and then as you click men or women, it will auto set up the filter. So it'll auto pass in women or men. But for now, we're going to redirect this to the home page. Yeah, to the home page, and then we'll pass this through down here. I'll pass this down here, and then we'll go to just set that up to the basic stuff. So then from import link from React router DOM, Does this have to be, is this? Yeah, okay. So then if we go here, I'll redirect us to the home page, which is perfect. And then if we open up our cart and go checkout, we have this. And then what we need to do is center this in there. But let's see how we're doing it on the home page. That way I can kind of see got going on here. So if we set this to the side, boom. He really knows this. Thanks, Shy. I appreciate it. Also, yep, welcome to the fam. Welcome to the fam. If you ever want to be like notified if I'm ever streaming, or if you just want to join our Discord, I'm trying to get more people in there to like kind of have conversations and everything, anything tech, gaming. Feel free to join. That's the Discord right there. And for anyone watching on YouTube, it's going to be in the description. If you're wanting to join the Discord, we're going to try to what's it called? Do more on there. So this should be absolute incent 0. Is that how that would be? No. What is this? C1. Let's see. Center the FA plus in the middle of the image. Okay, that makes sense. So, suggesting we do class name relative flex item center justify center, and then for the class names on this, we set this to absolute and then Z110. Perfect. Alright, and then we do text primary. Perfect, and then we can do size. I'm gonna make this 20. Looks good. Let's do like 40 though. No, 30's fine. Not too big, not too small. That's perfect. So then if we do add more items, it's gonna redirect us to the home page, let us kind of navigate through things again. Alright, so let's go check out again. And then let's see what this looks like if we move down the size. Okay. We'll have to work on this header. I wanted to just say shop at a certain size. Cool, so we can still kind of I want this. So the checkout button outline text extra small. So, and then no, that's fine, that's fine. I wonder though, if I do something like class name. Let's do class name like width 1/2. What does that do? What if I set it to width full? Do text 3XL. No, okay. I figured as much. That's fine. That looks good to me, honestly. I'm not trying to mess with that. We're okay with that. So we got the add items. I want to do something like text. Let's go Tailwind. Responsive design docs. Wait, are you live on YouTube as well? Sorry, the pups were scratching the door out, so I had to go real quick. I missed anything? No, no worries. I actually just saw your message. Yeah, I am streaming on YouTube at the moment as well. This looks updated. Let's go, like border style. Can we do something like, what if we did something like border white, and then border, border white, and then we did something like border 1. That looks kind of cool. I kind of like that. I like that, I like that. But we can honestly just make this border. Yeah, not too much. And then we can probably do border, oh wait, border white and border. Yeah, that's cool with me. It's cool with me. We're chilling. We like that. We're moving on. So we did a lot of style changes. That's good. What do we have to do next time? So let me go ahead and update the README for this. Which is going to keep track of this. So the profile page, retrieve. So we still need to do this for the profile page. All products filter. So this is like catalog page. Let's change this to catalog page. Catalog page. And then display all products. Admin, we still need to do that. Checkout, finish the summary page setup. I do want to add just a side where maybe just down here at the bottom left, I want to add where it's like, you know, total quantity, stuff like that. So let's add a, the cancel setup is ready. This is ready. Work on success setup. I still have to test this. So let's do test. Finish the summary page. Let's do missing total amount. What are they like? Checkout summary? No. The pricing summary. Let's just do pricing summary. Summary. Price summary. Yeah, that works. Display all products. We got stuff like that. We gotta fix this. Add additional event for bundle. Featured cancel. Yeah, we can remove this. I don't want to do that anymore. I don't want to do the extra work for that. Click outside of cart menu to close this. Yeah. Shop, add to cart. This is actually done. So that's good. Catalog page. So we really don't have a ton to do. We're almost done with this. Admin's going to be like a whole thing. But we're almost done with these two. Once we're done with these two, you know, Um, once we're done with that, the profile page and the catalog page, then we're done on the front end for the user, the regular user, not the admin user, but the regular user. We finished the Stripe stuff. I want to switch it to now use the cookies rather than localhost. But other than that, we're kind of grooving through this. The overall README here, I wanted to change some things because we're no longer using Redux on this. We are using React, Node, Express, Mongo, Tailwind, Vite. We're using anything else? Oh, we're using Stripe. And eventually we're going to add more to this. But I did want to check. I'm going to delete that. We don't need that no more. Okay, I think that's good right there. Yeah, I'm happy where we left things off at. And the next one we'll have a lot more going on. But for now, let's use our little copilot here. Generate commit message for everything in this commit. Let's do a git add. What do you have to say, Jen? No, I don't want to do that because I think I did more than that, right? Oh, shoot. Yep. Cool. We're rocking. Okay, rolling. Alright. So yep, we worked on a lot of stuff. We added this, we worked on the checkout functionality. We updated the desktop, which is something that I didn't, do before. Obviously this looks the way it does because I closed out the terminal and everything. But yeah, we made a lot of changes. We're going to be trying to make more changes. Probably next time you guys come in and check out the stream, or for anyone watching on YouTube, we'll have a lot more changes just because I also work this on my spare time when I can't actually stream it. So I'm hoping to maybe do finish off the checkout summary with the pricing, and maybe start retrieving orders. Actually, probably test the success route for Stripe once I'm done with that. So yeah, I mean, we're making great progress. It's looking really good. So yeah. I'm pretty happy about that. For everyone watching on Twitch, we're actually going to switch over to a gaming stream. So thanks everyone that came from the YouTube side or is watching this video afterwards. I greatly appreciate it.